chord substitution in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Take any progression that you like. Let's go for a regular 2-5-1 in C. Step 2. Extract the relevant voice leading. For each chord of your progression, eliminate all but 2 notes, like so. Try to select notes that are characteristic of the movement of your progression. There is no wrong or right answer here. It depends on what you decide is important. Step 3. Take your extracted voice leading and make other chords with it. Any chord containing your selected voice leading should do the trick, but try to highlight it in the music to make sure it comes across as relevant to the audience as well. Thank you for following this tutorial, and now let's make something cool with it.